Hello and welcome to the St. Regis de Palm. I'm going to give you a quick tour of room 1621, my room as it happens. Let's have a look. So, walking in, you have your little corridor here, and immediately on the left, it's this pretty spruce, attractive, gleaming white bathroom. Toilet in through that frosted glass door there. Here is your walk-in shower. Those full-size toiletries you can see are by a brand called Sashawan and another called Sadoshi. And here on the counter you have body lotion by Sadoshi and a facial cleanser by Ren. So very fancy premium products. There I am as well. So toilet I've shown you already. Sorry, this is the bathtub. Obviously, should you have concerns about privacy, depending on who you're sharing the room with, you can press a button and blinds will extend from the ceiling, thereby saving your modesty. You have a dressing table here, wardrobe to the right, wardrobe to the left. Walking into the bedroom itself, I'm going to show you the view in a moment. The bed is very, very comfy. I also really like this hotel, an amazing Turkish restaurant called Ruya down below, 2 pools, which I may have mentioned, a spa, which I have yet to see, and a gym. And you're right by a very popular mall, and of course you're on the Palm itself. So we're specifically on the trunk. Then out through the window you can see some of the arms or fronds, as they call them, that extend from that central skeleton, which house very plush, expensive accommodation. Oh, and there on the horizon you can see Atlantis the Royal, that very bulbous, distinctive resort. And here on the horizon in this side, in the haze, you can maybe just about make out the Burj Al Arab and Marsa Al Arab resort, which opened just after spring this year in April. So there it is. That's your quick general tour of one of the bedrooms at the St. Regis de Palm in Dubai.